How to send PDF file in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. As you might know, Messenger does have a lot of useful options. However, sending PDF files is not one of them, as you have no feature that allows you to do that. That's why we will use an alternative solution that will get the job done. And the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Drive. Click the plus icon at the bottom right to add a file. Choose the option that suits you the best. After that, go ahead and select your file. Once the file has been uploaded, it'll look like this. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the file. After that, click on Manage Access. You'll get to this page. From the General Access section, you'll see that it says Restricted. Click the option that says Change. Click here. Choose anyone with the link. After that, go ahead and copy the PDF file link by pressing on the link icon at the top right corner. Once the link has been copied, let's go back to Messenger. Go ahead and open up any chat or conversation, paste the link here and send it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to send PDF file in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.